What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF into Markdown using Markdown, so you can use it more efficiently with Claude. First, open your browser and go to markdown.online. No sign up or installation is required. Once you're on the website, you'll see a drag and drop box. Simply drag your PDF into the box, or click to browse and select your file. Next, click Convert and wait a few seconds while the website processes your PDF. Once it's finished, you'll see a clean Markdown preview with the document's headings, lists, tables, and other content. If everything looks good, click Download to save the Markdown file to your computer. And that's it. You can now upload the Markdown file to Claude instead of the original PDF, making your document easier to work with. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials.